Okay guys, welcome again in a new video. We'll discuss and we will explain about something new things about how to add a new item to a folder, not a file. The previous lesson was about how to add a new item to any file. We name it file 1 and file 2. Okay, also folder I can add the same like before. We open this location of the inside the registry. This is asterisk for before. Let's now the same location we always add at the directory. Just write dir from keyboard to reach you very fast like that. So this is directory. This is background for desktop background, but this time we will choose this file, this shell under directory directly, not background. This time we will choose this shell related to this any folder context menu. So any folder now will be applied here as a new item here, folder 1 and folder 2. Let's make a new item here under this shell. We'll make a new command. This is already exists now for any folder. Right click this, secure this folder and unsecure this folder. It already exists here, this item and this item. We will add a new one, new key. We'll name it folder 1. This is for folder 1. So right click on the folder, we'll find folder 1 already added. If we right click on the desktop, we will not find this folder. If we click in this file, right click, we will not find the new folder. Okay, so this folder, we'll give it also a specific icon to be identified, like this icon, to be clear. Iconic things always clear for us. cmd.exe. Okay, this is folder 1. So right click here, this is folder 1. Okay, and also any folder now there is already included the new item we added here to the folder. It's created under any folder. Right click, we will find folder 1. This is what we added now. Okay, so there is another location to add a new item to this directory, to this folder. Any folder, right click, not here. This we can call it directory folder, or we can name it folder 1. Okay, let's make a new things here also. New key, let's name it folder 2. Okay, this is folder 2. Let's make it here. Right click, icon, give it icon to be clear, icon. Okay, icon, then cmd, double click cmd.exe to give it an icon. Okay, this is folder 1 and folder 2. Okay, for file before, file 1 and file 2. So you cannot find folder 1 and folder 2 at any file. Folder is not appear here, not display. Also here, desktop background, or also not display. At the right click on the file, this is only file, not folder, because we name it before. We put it in the any folder, any icon for a program. We right click file 1. So in the folder, right click, we'll find folder 1 and folder 2 we created now. So if we want to add to folder now, right click, we'll find this folder 1 and folder 2, that the one we created. Under directory, under shell we can add new one, because under directory, under shell, this is directory. You can directly add a new item to any folder. Right click, you'll find folder 1 and folder 2. Now it's clear. What is the second location for directory? There is another value called here folder, E B C D E F, alphabetical. So if we go there like this folder, like this, see this folder, also the same. Under shell we can add more item here. It will be added also the same location in this one. So we can make it this one, right click, let's make it new. Okay, I'll name it folder 3. Okay, this folder 3, I'll give it an icon for this one. Icon, I'll name it for example folder, what can I call it? No problem, folder 2 also here, folder 3, it's here. Let's give it cmd, the same, cmd.exe to be clear. So right click on the folder now, you will find folder 3. Folder 3 is not under directory, no, it's under folder, not directory like before. See, this is a new location for the folder context menu is folder, not directory. Okay, so under folder shell, under shell you can add folder 3 and folder 4. So right click on any folder, you will find folder 3. If we go inside, find any folder like this, right click, you will find folder 3. Folder 3 already added to another location is folder, and shell, under shell you can add a new item like this, folder 4, and so on. Right, this is a lesson for today. I think it's enough. You learned now how to add a new item to the folder context menu. So the first location is directory, under directory shell like this. Also the other location for adding a new item to this to folder context menu is folder. Right click, you can add the new item here under shell, new item, you can call it folder 4, like this. So you'll find this folder 4 at the right click for any folder, you'll find it here. It's not displayed, will not be displayed at the desktop background, will not be displayed at any file context menu, or also it's only displayed, will be displayed on the folder background or the folder context menu. So this is folder 3, folder 4 already added. So this is what I want to say exactly in this video, how to add a new item to any folder. Okay, later we will learn how to make a commands, to make it as a commands, okay, or as a menu of containing many commands to be applied on the selected folder. Right, this is the first, this is the basic concepts you have to learn to be able to add the new items and give it specify what command will be run on the selected folder. So now we reach to the end of the video now, and thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.